let me tell you guys that at the end of this video, we're gonna be giving away a top box for 3 winners. So stay tuned at the end of this video para malaman nyo po kung paano yung mechanics ng giveaway na. Nan, Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, meron ka bang motor?
Yes.
You want to keep the safety of your ride as well as your belongings. Today we are featuring this store. It's called Kranos. And if you want to know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, so let's get inside. Let's get inside. What are your experiences with these kinds of products?
So actually ako, previously dapat magmumotor ako. So naghanap na ako ng mga gears and helmet ko. Pinaka tinitingnan ko kasi is yung quality nila.
There you go. Meron silang main store which is in Araya,
Araya.
Pampanga. This is their Angeles branch and this is their second branch. Watch out yung mga taga San Fernando, Tarlac, and Gapan, no? So they're gonna be branching out on those places. And actually available din yung online nila. So kasama natin ngayon si Sir RJ from Kranos Safety Gears, Angeles. And thank you so much po for inviting us.
Okay, sir.
And first of all, paano nag-start po si Kranos?
So actually sir, nag-start lang tayo sa manual. So post lang dito, online. So kami mismo nag-deliver. Nakahangkas kami sa motor, dadalang helmet, punong-puno. So meet up hanggang sa paunti-unti nakilala ang Kranos Gears.
Yes. Let us talk about the importance po ng mga safety gears.
Safety, yes sir.
Yeah, so ano po yung mga importance ng mga products natin?
So sa mga motorista natin dyan, nakaka-invest nga tayo ng mamahal sa mga motor natin. So bakit hindi tayo mag-invest dito sa safety natin? Majority sa mga katrabaho natin, sa mga workers natin, so mahirap kasi mag-commute.
Yes.
So naging in demand talaga siya. So motor, then equals helmet. Tinake yun natin yung opportunity doon.
Very inspiring kasi despite of the pandemic, you were able to come up
Yes,
po.
sir.
You were able to open yung business natin. So moving on guys, if you notice, sobrang dami talaga ng mga available na mga helmets natin dito. Yeah, if you're looking for, kumbaga medyo sporty, if you're a minimalist, if you are looking for a half face, full face, double visor, available po dito yan.
So papakita namin yung mga iba't ibang design
Yeah.
and brands na meron dito sa Kranos.
So, sa mga products po natin, ano yung mga brands na hinahandle natin?
So unahin ko na itong hawak ko.
Okay.
So si KYT. Si KYT. Then si AGB sa mga
AGB.
naghahanap naman ng medyo high-end.
Medyo high-end, okay.
May AGB tayo. Then meron naman tayong Spider, SEC, LS2, NHK, Bell. Meron na rin tayong Evo. So hindi rin naman tayo puro helmet lang.
Okay.
Mga Kranos, meron din tayong may mga box,
Top box, okay. Mga iba pang accessories
mga accessories pa natin.
Okay. Ano po yung range ng mga prices natin?
Sa mga naghahanap ng budget meal, so
Budget.
meal but quality.
Yes.
Number 1, quality. Hindi tayo nag-handle ng
Substandard, kumbaga.
substandard. Kasi kaya nga natin mag-invest. Kaya nga tayo nag-helmet for safety.
Correct.
So bakit natin tititirin, di ba?
Yes.
So sa price range natin, nag-start tayo ng 2,450 sa mga full face natin.
Ooh, okay.
So yun yung pinaka-lowest natin. Then ang pinaka-highest natin is sa AGB, 14,950.
Okay.
Almost 15,000. Mga klase ng helmet na hawak
Yes,
natin
please.
ngayon. So start tayo sa mga half face.
Half.
Then full face, single visor. Then full face, dual visor.
Dual, okay.
Yung pang-apat natin sir is yung mga modular naman sir. Mga 2-in-1, like this.
So sa mga naghahanap po ng mga safety gears, particularly helmets, available po dito yung Facebook and website niyo po, tama po ba?
Yes sir,
Please tell
you
us more
can
about
visit Facebook page Kranos. Then yung website po natin is kranosgears.com. So sa mga walang time na pumunta dito sa shop natin, kung pwede na silang direct loop, pwede silang umorder dun sa website natin. So partner din natin si JNT natin dyan.
For the delivery.
Yes, sir.
So available po doon
Kahit nasa bahay ka lang, order ka na,
Yes.
si JNT na mismo lalapit na sa'yo ang helmet mo.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So available po doon ang payment terms natin.
COD lahat sir.
there you have it guys, no? We're gonna roam around, we're gonna show you more of these items. If you're looking for a specific helmet, make sure to comment dun sa comment box natin para si Sir RJ po sasagutin. So, ito yung mga tinatawag nilang mga top box. Ayan. So, aside from of course keeping yourself, your body safe, meron ding mga accessories wherein you keep your belongings. So, dito nilalagay usually helmet.
Yes, actually helmet, yung mga personal belongings, or yung mga dinadala during the rides.
During the rides na ayaw mo mabasa, dito sila nilalagay. So, they have different kinds of brands as well as sizes.
Sample na lang, this is brand niya is Kappa. So this is 26 liters yung nalalagyan natin. Yan.
And guys, so syempre, we would like to inform you, yung mga potential customers or yung mga buyer po ng mga helmet dito, these are authenticated and approved by DTI. Ayan, so we are assured that these products are not smuggled, dumaan po sa mga tamang proseso. If you look for that seal, meaning these are approved by DTI. Good. So there you have it guys, this is the end of the video, and as we promised, we're gonna give away these top boxes. So these are from Kappa. And capacity nito is around
26 liters.
26 liters, so we're gonna give away these.
So mamimigay kami ng tatlong top box sa tatlong winners.
There you go. So the first mechanic is share this video. Number 2 is search nyo yung Kranos safety gears. Make sure to like that fan page. Number 3 is when you share this video, hashtag nyo yung Kranos safety gears X whip. Ayan. We're gonna choose 3 winners. So good luck to all of you guys.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.